In this video, I will walk you through the top change management software, showing you how the right OCM platform can centralize your effort and your team's effort, as well as how the right OCM platform can help standardize best change management practices for your organization and give you the tools to drive successful and lasting change. Among the top rated tools, the OCM solution all-in-one change management portal stands out as one of the top ranked organizational change management software solutions available today. So here's the criteria for selecting the top rated change management software. One, it had to be a software that allows change managers and project teams to conduct end-to-end organizational change management. That includes being able to do change impact assessments effectively, organizational readiness analysis, change risk assessments, and other change management analysis that needs to be done to really identify key information about the project. It also needs to be a software that allows change practitioners to deliver effective communications, as well as a software that allows change practitioners to conduct interactive engagement sessions with impacted users and stakeholders. It should also be a software that provides change management playbooks that includes the change strategies that should be implemented for training, communications, champion network, stakeholder management, impacted user enablement. It also needed to be a software that allows change managers and project leads to manage training and education of impacted users and also leadership coaching. Now, here is what is very, very important. That software, in order to be ranked a top change management software, needed to be able to effectively and automatically provide change management adoption tracking. And here's one more thing that is absolutely critical for selecting the top change management software. It has to be able to provide holistic view of all of the different projects that are impacting individuals across an organization. A lot of organizations run and implement multiple projects at the same time. And one key challenge is a lot of these projects are impacting the same audience, leading to change saturation, fatigue, and resistance. And so being able to have a portfolio view of the impacts allows change practitioners to better manage resistance and also to better manage change saturation. So what makes the OCM solution all-in-one change management software rated a top software for change managers? One, it provides end-to-end organizational change management capabilities, starting with a task checklist, which allows you to ensure that nothing gets missed in your OCM process. It also provides project essentials capability that allows you to centralize your change and project details for alignment. It also includes a target audience list that allows change practitioners to organize stakeholders by audience groups. And as we mentioned earlier, you need a top change management software that allows you to conduct your various change assessments. The OCM solution top software allows you to conduct change risk assessments, which allows you to identify and mitigate risk early. You can also use this software to conduct all aspects of your change impact assessments, which allows you to analyze how change is affecting the different groups, the different departments, and the different job roles. What about stakeholders? Check. The OCM solution allows you to map, influence, track support, and manage engagement with stakeholders and impacted users. And what about managing resistance? As we all know, most projects run into some form of resistance or the other. And using this top rated change management software, you can effectively manage your identified resistance, which is called a reactive resistance management, but you can also manage proactively resistance before they show up. In addition, when it comes to managing your respective communication campaigns, you can also use this software to manage who is going to be sending out the communications, which target audience will be receiving the communication, what is the communication objectives, and other aspects of your communication campaigns to ensure that you are getting the return on investment on the communications you are sending out. One key reasons why projects fail is because of a lack of readiness. And so, using this change management software, you can easily assess and also manage organizational readiness for the project that you are implementing. Another great benefit of this top change management software is that you can use it to manage all your training that you are delivering to impacted users. So you can assign and track completion for all training activities. It also provides you with the right OCM strategic playbook that you can apply based on the project type. It involves a standardized OCM best practices strategies that you can apply. In addition, based on the change assessments that you are conducting, this tool automatically develops your OCM plan for you. So you don't really have to build OCM plans from scratch anymore. You can also use this top change management platform to engage your stakeholders and leaders and also monitor your sponsor activities. And let's not forget about coaching. As we are all aware, oftentimes when we are delivering projects, we have to coach impacted managers as well as leaders to help increase their role as change agents. And so using this top change management software, you can manage structured coaching for sustained adoption. In addition, when you go to the reports, you will notice that this top change management software provides you with a portfolio view of how the different projects are impacting audiences across your organization. As our example, you will see 13 projects are currently active, and those 13 projects are impacting 56% of the organization. That's a key outcome, a key benefit, and one of the powers that you can see this all-in-one change management software providing for you. It gives you all of the key points at your fingertips. In addition, you can also conduct surveys. So, for example, on the left, on the sidebar here, if you click on surveys, you can actually conduct surveys to assess readiness, to assess levels of resistance. You can also survey your champions for them to give you feedback on the effectiveness of adoption. This top change management software also provides you with over 100 plus change management resources, including communications for you to send out to your champions, emails to managers requesting champions. It also provides you with downloadable change impact assessment tools, as well as roadmaps. One of the key resources and platforms that leadership are asking is a roadmap. So being able to show your leaders the roadmap of how the team will be implementing change management really is a key benefit to using this platform. And check this out. You can sign up for free and you can download this 100 plus resources today. You don't even have to use the system. You can just download this for free. And here's one more thing. For those of you who are new or have mid-level experience with organizational change management, this platform also provides you with free OCM training that goes all the way from the basics to the more advanced training that covers topics that you might not be aware of. I often have people reaching out to me asking about how can we make a case to our leaders for them to provide us with funding to obtain this top change management software. Let me just provide you with a few bullet points for you to take to go have a conversation with your leadership to make a case for subscribing to a top change management platform. You want to tell your leadership that by using a top ranked OCM software like the OCM solution, one that I just showed you, your organization can standardize your change management practices across all projects. That's a very key selling point when you let leadership know that using a top software, organizations standardize their change management practices, which reduces gaps and also minimizes inefficiencies. Leadership will actually become receptive to what you're trying to explain to them. Here's another point for you to provide to your leaders. A top change management software helps to improve employee adoption and reduce resistance to change management. This is because it provides all of the tools that are needed to help increase adoption and manage resistance. It also saves time by providing you with ready to use templates and workflows. So you no longer have to go create templates from scratch when this tool provides you and the team ready to use templates. Here's another one. This top change management software provides leaders with real time reports on adoption and readiness. It also increases the overall success rate of transformation initiatives. So, if you are asking how to access this top change management software, here is how. Click on the free trial all-in-one change management software link under this video. When you click on that link, it will bring you to this page. First thing to note is this. We are offering a free 14-day trial to everyone watching this video. You can also invite your colleagues for them to also try out the software. So when you get here, signing up is very easy. Just enter your first name. In this case, my first name is Obi, and then my last name, and then enter an email. And I'm entering the demo email we are using today. You can enter a phone number or you can leave that blank. We recommend a phone number for two-factor authentication. You can also enter your company name. If you feel more comfortable, you can just enter your last name. A lot of times people enter their company name. That way, if there are others within your organization that are also using this platform or that you will invite to use this platform, it is good to have the company name here. Enter the name of your first project, and that can be any name. A lot of people do first project. and then click I am not a robot. Now, obviously, I assume you are not a robot, okay? But even if you are, hey, you know what, with AI and everything, it's okay. Go ahead and check I am not a robot. Whether you are or you're not, you can go ahead and check that and click on Start My Free Trial. You will then be logged in and brought to your main dashboard. If you get a white screen, just go ahead and refresh and it will bring you here. And then on the left, you see where it says audiences. This is where you enter your target audience. Just click on add target audience. Tools, to access the tools, click on the left where it says tools, and you will see all of these tools here that are available to you to start using as part of your free trial. We also have free resources that you can download. We have over 100 change management templates, checklists, and resources for you to start using. If you want to send out surveys, this all-in-one change management software allows you to very easily send out surveys to impacted users or to stakeholders. Another great benefit of this all-in-one best change management software is this: it provides you with a portfolio overview. So you can see, for example, 13 projects been entered, and out of that 13 projects, 56% of the entire organization has been impacted. One of those 13 projects is a high risk project, 5 are mid risk, and 3 are low risk. The other 2 haven't been classified yet as to their risk level. Oh, the other 3. So when you do a deep dive into this portfolio overview report, you will see it has a lot of wonderful dashlets that you can actually present to your leadership. All of this information reflected here are coming from your change management assessment and management. So you don't really have to build reports from scratch as you do your change risk assessment, as you do your change impact assessment, as you do your stakeholder analysis, as you do your resistance analysis. All of this information are flowing to your reporting dashboard. And here's one more thing. It also contains a change management a library that you can also leverage. And for those of you that are new or have mid-level change management experience, this change management software also provides you with well-detailed OCM training to help increase the success of your change management expertise. So if you have any questions about this top rated change management software, or if you need change management consulting help or coaching to help build your change management expertise, don't hesitate to reach out to me. See the link below. And don't forget to like this video, as that really lets us know you got value from it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more content like this one.